Hi guys, we're finally at the last crosswalk over on Grant Road. This is located right nearby the new crosswalk down there, which I already filmed like 2 months ago, or more than that.
Wait to cross.
It's gonna go off in a minute. Unless it's got a different chime. I think it pretty much will.
Wait.
This might be a little busier than the other ones I've seen. Very old.
Wait to cross.
I might have to wait until these cars stop.
Wait. Wait to cross.
I wonder if this is actually going to go off anytime soon, because this is taking a while.
Wait.
Don't know why. It's been a minute, and it's taking way too long. This one's got 2 banks. There's the crosswalk down there, and then you just have the brand new one right here. Oh, this one's got a very loose braille. Just look at that. Look at that.
Wait.
Great. Finally working. What?